In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate section in Dorik. Duplicating a section is a quick way to reuse a layout you've already designed, keep your styles consistent, and speed up your workflow. We'll start from logging in, move into the editor, and then copy the exact section you need, all while keeping things tidy and organized. Begin by opening your browser and heading to the Dorik login page. Sign into your account securely. If you see an option that says Sign in as, go ahead and select it. This usually appears when your browser already recognizes your session. If you use Google to sign in, choose your Google account when prompted and follow the standard authentication steps. Once you're in, you'll land on the Dorik dashboard. From the dashboard, find the site you want to work on and click Edit Site. This opens the visual builder where you can see your pages exactly as they're laid out. Take a moment to let everything load, especially if your page has a lot of images or sections. Now scroll to the section you want to duplicate. Make sure you're selecting the whole section and not just an individual block or element inside it. A good visual cue is the section's boundary or highlight that appears when you hover near the top or bottom of the area. When you're certain you're on the section container, right-click to open the context menu. If right-clicking doesn't show a menu in your browser, look for the small toolbar or more options icon that appears near the section when it's selected. The duplicate option will be there as well. Click Duplicate. Dorik will instantly create a complete copy of that section, typically placing the duplicate right below the original. Everything inside, text, images, buttons, and spacing, comes along with it, which is perfect for maintaining a consistent layout. After duplicating, update the new section so you don't end up with repeated content. Change headlines, swap images, adjust button links, and tweak any unique details. If your original section had anchors or IDs, give the duplicated one a unique identifier to avoid conflicts. It's also a great time to check spacing so the flow between sections remains smooth and polished. Finally, preview your page and test on mobile to confirm the duplicate looks right across devices. That's it. You've duplicated a section in Dorik quickly and cleanly. Keep this technique in your toolkit whenever you want it to scale designs without rebuilding from scratch.